Hey guys, what's up? So today I'll be showing you how to install themes on iOS 12 to 12.1.2 using the rootless jailbreak. So first off, you want to install the rootless jailbreak. If you have not already have it installed, you just want to go to iTweaKOS.pro. I'll just link down in the description. We just go to web, or you can download an app. It's gonna say you have to download this configuration profile. So you just do that. You go tap on allow, tap on install, enter your passcode in, and then install it again. And then once you do that, you can open it up. So iTweaKOS open up. Alright, so once you roll up, you just want to go to no jailbreak on the bottom, and then scroll down to jailbreak, and then you want to scroll all the way down to see rootless jailbreak. So just tap on rootless jailbreak, and then tap on install, and after installs, you guys can actually go into it, and then tap on jailbreak. Your device should respring, and then when you come back, go back to rootless jailbreak, and it should say jailbroken. So once you do that, you then go over to another website of the description, which is Casp jailed. So you can add, tap on the @ tap the @ again, and then you want to go to pre-patched tweets. So if it redirects you, just go back into it, and you can see it loaded. So now we go down to, scroll down to snowboard. So you want to tap on snowboard, it redirects you, go back into it, and then you can see it's a zip file. So now all you want to do is actually just open it in Falza. So you would actually, for the rootless jailbreak, you would want to make sure tweets is on and Falza and AM is on. So then it should, when your device does respring, you should be in jailbroken state, and Falza should be installed. So you want to open Falza. If Falza reboots, you just want to go back, make sure you're in jailbroken state, and open up Falza again, and Falza should be open and fine. So now we go back to Safari, and then tap on open in Falza. So all you need to do is just tap on it. In your documents, guys, now you can create a new tab. If it says to activate, you guys just want to tap on the top and just bypass that. So once you create a new tab, you want to go to root by tap on the star and tap on root. And you guys want to scroll down and go to var. So once you guys tap on var, you guys want to go to containers, bundle, tweak support, library, and then you guys want to install snowboard right here. So now you want to go back, open up the tab, and you guys want to open up the snowboard. So you want to, since you tapped on it and it converted right here into a folder, you want to tap on snowboard, tap on library, tap on mobile substrate, dynamic libraries, and then you guys want to choose both of them. So you guys tap on edit, choose both of them right there, and you guys tap on copy. Then you guys can go over to mobile substrate. So we're gonna go back to library, and then you guys can actually paste it right here. So then you go to preference loader, preferences, and you guys can paste in here too. You guys can go to preference bundles, and then you want to copy preference bundles, and you can put it in here, guys. So then after that, guys, you want to actually restart your device, and you guys should have snowboard. Now then after that, you guys want to go back to the Safari. Alright, so then you want to go back to go to themes, and we're just going to choose any one of these. So let's say we choose Mint 2. You tap on that, and it's going to, if it's an ad, guys, you just want to go back to it, tap on Mint 2 again, and it should load as an IPA file, just like that, or a zip file, we tap on open in Falza. And then you can see it's down there, Mint 2, you want to tap on it to extract it, and then Mint 2, you want to tap to open up. Tap to open up, guys. And then you guys you just want to copy these two right here. They are folders, but you still just want to copy them. So you want to tap on edit, these two, tap on copy. Then you create a theme folder in your tweet support. So go back to here. So go back to root, guys. Go back to root. Go down to var. So var. You guys want to go down to containers, and then go to bundle, tweak support, library, and create a folder, guys, called themes. So you guys, you just do actually edit and plus for the folder, and just actually and make sure it's themes with a capital T. Tap on done. The copy files you guys had, you guys want to go to remove and go to themes, and you guys have to paste the two files you guys copied before. Then all you do, you only need to reboot your device. So I actually do this, but basically when you guys go to settings, scroll down until you guys see your themes, and then your tweets and stuff like that. And you basically just want to go to snowboard, and then you want to basically select the theme, change the theme to the on snowboard to the theme you guys installed. For us will be the Mint theme. So you want to install the Mint theme, drag it to above, and tap the home button, and you guys should have the new theme of all your apps and stuff like that. So hopefully this works. Thanks you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.